Welcome to LoveNesters. Today we're diving into the sweetest adventure yet.
Finding the ultimate sweet spot in Wisconsin Dells. After a full day of hikes, adventures, and water parks, you'll be ready for something delicious.
If you got a sweet tooth, you're in luck.
We're on a mission to uncover the best spots to satisfy your cravings.
What do you think?
This is really good.
Join us as we chat with industry experts and uncover the tastiest stops in Wisconsin Dells.
That's all there is to it. So we are here at Pure Sugar, and this is supposed to be experiential candy. So let's check this out. Should be interesting.
Let's get things started with one of the newest candy stores in the Dells. Pure Sugar is an immersive experience where candy shopping is transformed into an extraordinary adventure. They not only have a unique selection of hard-to-find treats, but they also have candy made into works of art.
This is so cool.
And plenty of sets to play around on for an Instagram-worthy photo op.
Imagine how many kids have probably seen it here. Wow, that has to be the biggest gummy bear I've ever seen.
Check out these candy mosaics. We've got Ariana Grande, Monet, Pitbull, and even a Picasso.
So this place is set up with all kinds of selfie opportunities and all kinds of candy.
Ooh, check this guy out. His mane is made entirely from gummy bears.
LoveNester tip, use this for a proposal. Oh, we just found the clearance section. 70% off right here.
They have a large variety of unique soda flavors.
This is a whole pickle cotton candy, pickle soda, gummy pickle. Ugh. Okay, the bathroom in Pure Sugar, it just has to be filmed because wow, this is something. Highly recommend this place. We just got done with our first place at Pure Sugar. It was so much fun. There's so much creativity in there and so many neat selfie opportunities. Highly recommend coming to this place and picking up some candy while you're here. Even gave us a sample with our purchase.
Looking for popcorn? There are two places in the Dells. Oodle Smack Popcorn is on Broadway, or if you look for the iconic neon cars, you will discover a charming store with the best customer service.
Hey, we are with Eric, the owner of
Kernel Popcorn Factory.
Kernel Popcorn.
I am the Kernel.
You're the Kernel in the Kernel Popcorn
Kernel with
Factory.
a K.
And this is the world's best popcorn.
It is. It is. I've gotten that from one of our customers, longtime customer. Brought that in, and they made that as a family craft to bring to me. So it's pretty cool.
And I agree, because we actually sampled this popcorn at the Cranfest, which is another video, and this is why we came back, because it was such a fantastic food and fantastic experience. Your staff was so warm and friendly. That was great. So we're here behind the scenes trying to understand what makes it the world's greatest popcorn.
Just two things we focus on for our shop. Number one, best possible ingredients. So use real Wisconsin cheddar in your cheese curd. Use real molasses, lots of butter and lots of sugar in your caramel corn. Not exactly health food, but at least it's real food.
Yeah.
No caramel flavoring, no high fructose corn syrup, no preservatives, right? So best possible ingredients make the best results. Then second thing, and really most important, is best possible customer service. If you could try it first, you're never going to be disappointed.
Do you have any new flavors since since we...
My wife is like a mad scientist in the kitchen. She's always coming up with new stuff. And one of my favorite new ones, though, is the lemon pound cake. It's very living.
Lemon pound cake in yes, we got it.
So, like I say, you don't have to wonder if you're gonna like. You don't have to hope you're gonna like it. You try it first. I'll try it with you.
Lemon. I love a lemon pound cake.
Does it make you think of lemon pound cake?
She absolutely nailed this.
Lemon pound cake.
And the third part of the equation for your successful business is keeping your wife happy, right?
Happy wife, happy life. Okay, just saying.
So Eric, how many different flavors do you currently have?
Well, we're at approximately, it's hard to keep track because she's always coming with more, about 132. When we hit 80, I was like, wow, we'll never have 100. Now we have 132.
132.
At any given time, we have 80 to 90 on the shelf.
Oh my God.
Some of them are very seasonal.
Yeah.
Candy cane, eggnog, pumpkin pie, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not always available, but at least 80 to 90 are available at any given moment.
Connected to Kernel Poppers is Aunt Jenny's Candy Kitchen. They specialize in homemade candy like fudge and caramel, all made with high-quality ingredients. We learned from a master how they've been making candy for decades.
And then it just basically gets poured out. All right, here we go.
So this is toffee.
Right, this is English toffee.
46 years of making the best
Actually,
candy.
45.
45 years of making
Yeah.
the best candy.
Yep, we started in 1979. So,
Right here in the Dells.
in the Dells, yep.
Oh my goodness.
And then I'm just doing this to smooth it out to make it thinner because you don't want toffee really, really thick. Butter tends to come to the top. So then when it's cool enough, you just wipe it down a little bit and take that excess butter off.
So what are you most known for? What's your specialty here?
Fudge and caramel. Because we make our own fudge and we make our own caramel. Everything comes from scratch. Candy business is very labor intensive, so is the popcorn. You know?
So would you say you're the only place in the Dells that is all done by hand?
No.
There are other ones that
There
do
are
by
other
hand.
ones.
Okay.
And we're different than most tourist towns.
Yeah.
Because we all like each other. So,
Thank you for your time. You are
No
for
problem.
sure an expert.
well, I don't know if
Very
I'm an
cool.
expert, but I have experience. You know?
Absolutely.
Down in the heart of the Dells on Broadway, you don't have to walk far to sample several different candy stores.
Oh my gosh. You can just smell this from the street. It smells fantastic in here. So Candy Connection has all kinds of bins that you can get any assortment of candy that you would want. All right, well, I can't resist Jelly Belly jelly beans, so we'll get a few flavors. My bad. So at Original Wisconsin Dells Fudge, they do make it right here in the store.
While you are in the heart of downtown Wisconsin Dells, be sure and check out the iconic Goody Goody Gumdrops, one of Wisconsin Dells' most beloved candy stores. This place is a candy lover's paradise with over 1,000 varieties of candy to choose from.
This place is huge. They have 2 locations. All right, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. Wow. I got a yellow one. That was an experience.
A kind of experiential candy. You can fill your own tube of powdered sugar, fill it with these dots. And this location also has a gift shop. Looks like they also have gelato here. All kinds of yummy flavors. So I've never heard of pickle. Would you try pickle or maple bacon? Some interesting flavors here. Let us know in the comments if you would try pickle.
With 2 locations, Goody Goody Gumdrop is the largest retail candy operation in the Dells.
This is an iconic Dells sweet store, Goody Goody Gumdrops. When I first came here, it was probably the biggest candy store I had ever been in. Let's check it out. It says we are now making love. This is going to be a fun store. Wow, it looks like they make it all here.
Goody Goody Gumdrop has been a staple in Wisconsin Dells since the early 1970s. Founded by a candy enthusiast, it quickly became a favorite stop for tourists and locals alike. They are also one of the few locations in the Dells that carries gelato.
It looks like there's plenty of carousel horses for you to ride on and places that you can sit and eat your ice cream.
Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure through Wisconsin Dells.
If you're craving more, be sure to check out our other videos exploring the best of the Dells.